So good day, traders. I am your coach for today, and today's topic is all about trend and trend lines. So kung familiar na kayo about trend, may mga may mga traders kasi na trend followers. Mahilig sila sa mga trend followers. So ano na lang, uh, konting knowledge na lang about trends and how to correctly put the trend lines on the trading view. So i-explain ko kung paano siya malolocate. So nakikita nyo yung trading view ko, guys. Uh, an quick example na lang sa sa trend. So meron tayong tinatawag na uptrend. So when we say uptrend, the market is going up, making lows and high, and then going down, going up, making lower high and higher high, and then going down, going up, going down, going up. So this is a healthy uptrend. So we can mark our trend from bottom to top. So this is a example of unhealthy uptrend. All right. So next example is the downtrend. So what is downtrend, guys? Downtrend. All right. So example of a downtrend, the market is making a first high and then low and then high, low. All right. This is the high. This is the low. This is the lower high. This is the lower low, and then going up and then going down, so on and so forth. All right. So because this is a downtrend, we mark our trend from top to bottom. All right. That is an example of a downtrend. So the third one is what we call the sideways. Sideways. Or the consolidation. So meaning, guys, when we are uh, making a sideways moves or a consolidation phase, the market is not sure where the price will continue. Just like this one, all right? So this is an example of a sideways or consolidation trend. So the market is making a equal highs and equal lows. So lagay ko dito equal highs and equal lows. Alright. So kung i-mark natin siya sa chart, guys. So as we can see, we are right here. Kung makikita nyo to, guys. Ayan. We are making a uptrend. Alright? Bakit? Kasi as as I sa inexplain ko kanina, we are making first a low and then a high and then low, high, low, high, low, making high and low. So this is an example of a uptrend. So we can mark the bottom of this uptrend right here. Okay. And then from dyan. Okay. That is a example of a uptrend. So may iba guys na let's say for example, ito yung 30 minutes. Ayan. May mga traders guys na kapag ka trend followers sila, let's say for example, kapag ka yung prices daw tumama within this trend line, yan, because it is an uptrend, they will be looking for an buying opportunities or they will be looking to longs on the market. So this is a gold 30 minutes guys. Let's say for example, if you are a trend follower, let's say for example, uh, within this data, low right here, and then making a high, kapag ka daw tumama siya sa trend line guys, they will be looking to buys in the market. So let's say for example, this spot right here, tumama siya sa trend line. And then they will be looking to buy in the market. So as you can see right here, tumama siya within this area dito and then they long on the market or they buy in the market. So from data right here, tumama yung kanilang entry. So meron ka ng isang win dito guys. Alright? So next scenario, right. So kapag ka, again, tumama daw sa trend line, pwede kang mag-buy within this area right here. And then another win for the buyers. Alright? So, tingnan natin kung ilang tama yung ginawa ng trend followers dito guys. Okay? Dito nag-buy sila. Ayan. Right. And then, the last one is right here. So, dito na nag-ano guys, dito na nag-stop yung trend. So, by this data only, we have one, this one, we have two, we have three, we have four. Dito guys, sa five guys, we have one, two, three, four. We have four wins. And dito guys, mukhang na-break na yung trend line. We have one loss. Okay? One loss. So, kung isa ka sa trend follower na trader. So, kung dito ibe-base mo yung yung strategy mo within this trend and then followed by mga other confluences guys like the candle formation, the mga liquidities and other stuff. So may mga chances guys na magpa-profit tayo sa market. Alright. So dito banda mukhang yung trend is hindi na nire-respect ng market. Bumaba na siya. Alright. So the next one is the downtrend. Okay guys, explain ko yung guys, yung downtrend kung isa ka sa trend follower na trader. Okay? So, let's mark this one right here. Okay? Alright. So, meron siyang, tingnan natin guys. Isa, dito, hindi siya tumama sa trend line. Dito, okay. Adjust natin yung ano. Ayan. Pwede siyang ganyan. Dalawa, and then tatlo. Alright. So, kung isa ka sa mga trend follower ng mga trader, kung makikita niya, this trend line right here, meron siyang isa dito. Okay. Yan. Meron siyang dalawang trade. Yan. Tapos, meron siyang tatlong trade. Ayan. Nakuha pa niya to guys. Yan. Yan. And then, pagkapatong dito, nag-iba na yung trend ng market. Right? So, kung makikita nyo, meron tayong, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 trades, 3 wins. Alright? So, kung isa ka sa mga trend follower guys, maganda din tong strategy na to be profitable in the market. So, paano nga ba maglagay ng trend lines na na masasabi nating nire-respect talaga siya ng market. So, pointers number one, dapat yung trend line must consist of number one, multiple touches. Alright? Multiple touches. And then, number two, clear reaction. Alright. So, ano nga bang ibig sabihin nito guys? So, number one, multiple touches. Katulad lang din siya ng support and resistance. Dapat yung trend line natin is madami siyang touches. Two or more touches. Alright? So, kung makikita natin dito, within this trend line, kung makikita natin, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. Alright, so this trend line is a valid trend line. So, pwede tayong maglagay ng trend line dyan to make the trend line valid. Alright, so next is it must have a clear reaction. So, ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng clear reaction? Katulad po nito, kung makikita nyo guys, ayan. Kapag ka na-touch yung trend line natin, dapat meron siyang clear reaction or dapat meron siyang big movement. Katulad nito, once this one touches, dapat meron siyang clear movement. Yan. Kung makikita nyo, grabe yung pag-angat niya kapag ka na-touch yung trend line na to. So, we have an example right here. Na-touch siya dito banda, we have a clear movement. Alright? So, kung makikita nyo pa dito guys, once this one touches, dapat meron siyang clear movement from the top. Because we are in the bullish right now, we are uptrend. Dapat makakita tayo ng uh, uptrend na malalakas yung mga movement. So, kung makikita niyo dito, once this one touches, may clear movement, merong clear movement. Alright? So, that's all for meron pa palang sideways guys, sorry. So, kung makikita niyo dito, upon 30 minutes, merong mga example ng mga sideways movement. Alright? So, let's say for example, this one right here. Yan, kung makikita nyo dito and within this line right here. Alright. So, kung makikita nyo guys, they are making a equal lows and equal highs. Alright. Ayan. Kung makikita nyo dyan, guys. So, yung iba, guys, they wait for a break of trends. And then, they trade when the trend retraces. Alright. Ano nga bang ibig sabihin yan, guys? So, kung makikita nyo, they are printing money sideways. Alright. And then, from point right here, the market breaks. Okay? Making a downtrend. Or, sinasabi nila na yung price ng gold daw, guys, is going down na. So, other traders wait for a retracement. Okay? So, they wait for the market to retrace or babalikan nila yung ano natin, yung trend natin or the support or the resistance, and then they trade within that area. Let's say for example dito tinamaan to, nag-retrace siya dyan, pwede nilang gawing entry model yung ganyan. Alright? So kung makikita nyo guys, na-break niya and then na-retrace, binalikan tong line na to. Yan, that line. Diyan sila nagtitrade ng short position. Let's say naman for example, if this consolidation phase right here is going up, down, and then they break, all right? This point right here breaks. Aantayin nila yan yung market is babalik within this area. And then they will look for a long position. Then target nila yung taas. Ganyan lang yung strategy ng trend follower guys kung nagtitrade kayo sa trends. Okay? So hopefully meron kayong natutunan sa lesson natin for today. And yung mga next topic naman guys is all about the candle formation. And then tapos na tayo sa ating beginner's course. So kapag natapos na yung beginner's course natin guys, ipa-compile na natin lahat yung mga natutunan natin on how to trade in the market. Okay? So, i-compile natin lahat yung yung mga trends, about trend lines, about candle formation, kung paano tayo maghahanap ng opportunity sa market. So, that's all. I am your coach for today. I am Van Andre, and then hopefully magko-continue yung yung learnings nyo guys sa market. So, see you in the next video.